Assalamu alaikum and hello everyone. How are you all? Hopefully you all are doing good. Okay, this video is about the revision pack of lab exam assessment B. Okay, let's see what is inside this revision pack. Here we have two algorithms. One algorithm is for Abbe character and the second one is for Devon character. Now what does it say? The algorithms in the table below are not correct. Use logical thinking to rearrange the steps above. The two characters should talk to each other in turns. So the algorithm wants that there are two characters, one is Abe and another one is Devon. They should talk to each other in turns. But there is some error in this. So error is like this: we have to arrange the steps so that they will talk to each other in turns. So let us now look at these steps. The first one in Abbe character, the first step says when the green flag is clicked. Okay, it's fine. For the Devon character, it says also when the green flag is clicked. Okay, both are correct. Then for Abbe character, it says wait 3 seconds and then say I have a pet owl. So there is no need to wait for 3 seconds over here. The step 3 should come at step 2, and after the step 2, like when this step will go up at step 2, then after that it should wait for 3 seconds so that the other character can say something at that time, and then say its name is Semi. Come for the Devon character. When the green flag is clicked, switch to next costume, say what's its name for 2 seconds and then wait 3 seconds. There is no need to wait for 3 seconds here. In the end, he should wait when the Abbe character is speaking. Okay, so let's start our program. We will see the other instructions also. Create a program for the corrected algorithm above. Open a new project in Scratch and select the wall 1 backdrop. Add the Abbe and Devon sprites. Add code to both characters to match the corrected algorithm. Add the owl sprite with no code. Click the green flag to test your complete program. Okay, if you have the Google Chrome or whichever browser you have in your laptop or your iPad, go to that one and write there Scratch. Type Scratch over there. So the first link that is coming, it is scratch.mit.edu. You have to go to this link, scratch.mit.edu. Click upon that one. Here go to start creating. Okay, it's open now, but we don't want this window, so we will close this, and we also don't want this sprite, so we will delete this also. Are you sure you want to delete this? Yes. Okay, now these are backdrops. Choose a backdrop. Here from this tab, from this button, you can select the backdrop. So click upon this one, and here we have many backdrops. We have to select wall 1. So this is wall 1. From the sprite, choose a sprite. The first is Abbe. It's already here, but for easiness you can select people, so all the people will come. So select Abbe. She is here. We will just fix her position on this side. Then again choose a sprite, go to people, and from here select Devon. This is Devon over here. So Devon has also come. We will fix his position, and we want one more static object, that is owl. So go to animals and select owl. This is owl. So owl is here. We will fix the position of owl here. Okay, now we have to start coding, but check one thing here: which sprite is selected? Owl is selected. If we will start coding, the coding for owl will come. owl is a static object with no code. So for owl we will not have any code. We have to start code for Abbey. So we must select Abbey from here. Now the Abbey is selected here, then we can start coding for Abbey. Okay. You also have the answer key in the same document at the end. And here is the code for Abbey. So what does it say? When green flag is clicked, say I have a pet owl, then wait 3 seconds, and then say its name is Semi. So from events, when the green flag is clicked, go to looks. This is say hello, so bring it here and change this hello to I have a pet owl. I have a pet owl. Then she can wait for 3 seconds. Go to control and wait for 3 seconds. Change this one to 3, and then again go back to looks, bring this say hello again and change this to its name is Semi. Its name is Semi. Okay, now let us run the program by clicking upon green flag. I have a pet owl, then she's waiting for 3 seconds, and then its name is Semi. Alright, now we have to make a code for Devon. Select Devon. Now this is the place for Devon. We will type the code or bring the codes for Devon over this area. Okay, so you must be very careful before coding for any character. You must select that and then you should start coding for that character. Okay, so for Devon we have the code over here. Go to events. When the green flag is clicked, wait 3 seconds, go to control, bring this wait here, change this one to 3, then next costume. This is next costume, bring it here, and then say what's its name. What's its name? So here we have this one. Let us run the program and check if it is correct or not. And are the characters talking to each other in turns or not? I have a pet owl. What is its name? Its name is Semi. So the characters are talking to each other in turns. Let us run again. Click upon green flag. I have a pet owl. What's its name? Its name is Semi. So this is the program about two characters, Abe and Devon, and they are talking to each other in turns. So in this way we have made the program for Abe and Devon. Hopefully you all have understood it, and you just start doing practice for it. Best of luck.